Hello, I'm Naper, and welcome to our quick overview of CPMA 1.50 and Challenge Quake 3 1.49. While this presentation is by no means exhaustive, it will give you a glimpse at some of the new features we hope you'll be enjoying soon. To start off, let's see what the new CPMA has in store. Voluntarily leaving a duel in progress will no longer put the arena back to warm-up, but instead proceed to intermission and show the end-game scoreboard. Player models now support full bright skins. Just like before, player models and colors can be forced for teammates and enemies, but now also for the red teams and blue teams specifically. And here's what it looks like with full bright skins. Full bright weapon skins can be set for your own weapons, for other players' weapons, or weapon pickups. It is now possible to see which movement keys are pressed by yourself or other players. You can customize this fully through our Super HUD system. With Challenge Quake 3, you'll be able to see disconnect messages in the main menu, so you'll know why you failed to connect or got disconnected. Spawn points can be made more visible now in warm-up, making the spawn learning process easier. We now also draw colored spawn points in CTF and NTF. We also display initial spawn points with no texture animation. The infamous spec bugs were squashed, and many other bug fixes and improvements were glossed over in the interest of time. The new Challenge Quake 3 client has some pretty nifty new features of its own. The first one being a fast automated map download system that works transparently with any pure server. A new optional auto-completion style allows you to toggle between multiple results by simply pressing tab repeatedly. The client has a new optional help panel, displayed below the console whenever a variable or command name is input. The console colorizes commands, variables, values, and help text differently, and their colors are all customizable. And among the multitude of other improvements, gamma correction is always available and doesn't work by changing your screen settings anymore. Maps load faster, CPU usage is reduced, raw mouse input latency on Windows is lower, and it is now possible to select the display monitor and also configure the scaling mode so you don't have to mess around with graphics driver settings and suffer slower alt tabs because of video mode changes. And that concludes our overview of the new CPMA and Challenge Quake 3. We thank you for watching and invite you to visit playmorepromo.com to learn more and get the game.